Today we're breaking down the best Uphold fees for transfers, giving you a clear understanding of what you'll actually pay when moving money. Uphold is a platform that allows you to send, receive, and convert between currencies, including crypto, fiat, and metals. Its fee structure is straightforward, but understanding it can save you a lot of money. For standard transfers between Uphold accounts, the fee is typically zero. This means sending dollars, euros, or crypto to another Uphold user is completely free. The platform encourages internal transfers, which makes it an attractive option for people who need to move money quickly without additional costs. When sending funds outside Uphold to a bank account or external wallet, fees vary depending on the currency and destination. For USD transfers to US bank accounts, the flat fee is around 99 cents per transaction. International bank transfers or sending other currencies like Euro or GBP can cost between $3 to $5, depending on conversion rates and network fees. Currency conversion fees are also important to consider. Uphold charges a transparent markup when converting between currencies. For example, converting USD to Euro or crypto might cost a fee of 0.5% to 1% above the market rate. This is lower than many other platforms, making Uphold competitive for multi-currency transactions. Crypto transfers have their own costs. Sending Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other supported tokens to external wallets will incur a network fee. These fees are not set by Uphold but by the blockchain itself. Uphold adds no extra margin, so you're only paying what the network requires. Overall, Uphold's fees for transfers are highly competitive, especially for internal transfers and currency conversions. Using Uphold wisely can save money compared to banks or other crypto platforms, while offering fast, reliable, and transparent transactions.